There are times when you want to eat chatpata. Chatpata means when you take a bite, you have to feel kind of a kick, a positive kick, a very surprising kick, a recipe that gives you such a pleasant taste. And you can make it happen even with okra. The bindi, to make this recipe, add some oil in a pan and do not add too much, little. And in this, we are not going to add anything else but the okra. We want this okra to be cooked. Keep cooking till this okra is almost 95% done. And you can see how the oil just disappeared. We'll cook it for some time and then the oil will slowly come out and the okra will also be cooked. This is often done so that the gooiness doesn't happen with the okra. Now the okra is all cooked. This is when we're going to add some big pieces of onion, capsicum, and just saute it. Add a pinch of salt so that these vegetables are tasty when you finish it. The onions are slightly, tossed. In this, we're going to add the tomatoes. Of course, de-seeded tomato, nothing. I'm not going to cook the tomatoes at all. Just transfer these beautiful vegetables onto a plate. Look at it. The color itself is so appetizing. And when you're done with the dish, the gravy, what we are going to make, it is nice and juicy. They go into the holes of the okra and coat the other vegetables. But the gravy should be super good. So to make this, add some oil in a pan and add cumin. When you saute the cumin a little bit, add onions, some salt. Now, we don't need to brown the onions here, but we need to sweat them. Sweat, the happiness, sweat. In this, add turmeric, the ginger garlic paste, add the tomato puree. Go ahead with a little bit of coriander powder. In this, add a little bit chili powder, not too much. And we're going to add amchur powder, water, and make this into a kind of, this is going to be a juicy gravy, but not watery nor too thick. So, just mix this, cover it and cook it till some of the oil kind of comes on top. This is more sour than what I expected. So, pinch of sugar and a little bit of chaat masala. Now, check the consistency, nice and juicy. Put in all the vegetables. Just toss it. Don't cook any further. Switch off the flame. That's it. And this is the bumba okra, the nice chatpata taste. So, let's go ahead and enjoy this. The best chatpata dish of the vegetable world. Awesome. My God. When you stir fry the vegetable, the taste of the vegetables is just held within. And they release as juices in your mouth. That is what is the best chatpata okra. Wow. It is so tasty even before it gets in. It's going to say the bumba. That's how we have to be.